Hey there, welcome back to my another video. I hope you are doing great and I'm fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today in this video, I'll discuss how you can improve your speaking skill, how you can start your making video in English. You know that practice makes a man perfect. So if you wanna develop your speaking skill, you have to practice a lot. In almost every video I said English is a language, nothing else. So if you practice more, you can learn more. So you have to find out your partner with whom you can speak English. But there, if you don't find any partner for practicing speaking skill, please stand in front of mirror, stand in front of your mobile camera, fix a time 1 or 2 minutes and try to say something. And whenever you stand in front of camera, it seems to you that you don't know any words, you don't know any grammatical rules, and it seems to you that your brain is empty and there is no words, there is no rules, and totally your brain is empty. But whenever you try to eat day by day, you can certainly say something in front of camera. And firstly, you feel shyness, so you have to remove your shyness and keep confidence constantly. And if you remove your shyness, you can gradually develop your speaking skill. So dear viewers, if you want to start your making video, if you want to start your speaking skills, so please stand in front of camera and try to say something and remove your shyness and try to say something 1 or 2 minutes, and gradually you can increase this time 3 or 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, and certainly or one day you will say something and he will develop your speaking skill. And by this way you gradually improve your speaking skills. No more today. Bye bye.